Chris and I put together a little song called I'll Bring Roses. I want you to picture a man who is no longer young, and he has done something he shouldn't have done or said something, and he's thinking, I'll bring roses. My song for you this evening, it's meant to make you smile. Forget about your sorrows and troubles for a while. Ponder then my story now, the tale that I will tell. Sit and listen, sing along, and learn its lessons well. I am a common working man, construction is my trade. I make my living with my hands, the barrel and the spade. My wife, she is that Galway girl, black hair and eyes of blue. A legendary temper that I'm about to rue. So I'll bring roses, roses, I'll bring roses, in the hopes that me and Mary stay together. After a long working week, when I am headed home, my pocket's full of money and I've aging, aching bones, I know that Mary's waiting ever patiently for me. Actually, she's been working too, she's tired just like me. But I go into my favorite pub, Keogh's on the square. It's good to see that Michael, John, and Joseph all are there. I'll have a dram, a drop, a draft, oh, a bottle's not enough. A round of drinks for everyone, whiskey, that's the stuff. So I'll bring roses, roses, I'll bring roses, in the hopes that me and Mary stay together. Well, the next you know we're singing songs, the beer, it's all on me. My aching bones feel light and lithe, oh, this is what life should be. John gets out his fiddle and the tunes begin to flow. Michael, his accordion, supports the floating bow. Then the hours disappear into that mystery of time, the evening and the morning hours of melody and rhyme. The dawning light comes thundering through the shuttered windows and doors. That is when I realize what I have got in store. So I'll bring roses, roses, I'll bring roses, in the hopes that me and Mary stay together. Well, I mentioned my wife's temper. It's what attracted me. Her fire for life, her bruising tongue, her wild nature free. She is my light, my life, my love, the best friend that I've known. And here I've empty pockets. I am drunk and stumbling home. So I cut roses from a garden that has a few to spare. I round the corner to our home, and whom should I see there? Mary stumbling up the lane, she has some flowers too. When she sees me, she smiles and says, I've got some words for you. We both brought roses, roses, we both brought roses, and the next time we will drink together. We both brought roses, roses, we both brought roses, and the next time we will drink together.